Hello and welcome back to STEAM and Data. Today in this video we are going to talk about analysis and analytics. Are these two similar? Can we use them interchangeably? Is there any difference between them? And lots of other questions that must be answered because it's a little awkward for a data scientist to not be able to distinguish between these two terms. In addition, setting aside this awkwardness, capability of distinguishing these two make your job finding process much easier because you exactly know what you should be looking for. Okay, enough talking. Let's dive straight into our topic to find the differences between these two similar terms. Let's start off by analytics. According to Wikipedia, analytics is the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. But you may say it is very similar to the definition of analysis, isn't it? Well, to some extent, you're right, but when I clarify these two terms properly, you will find out these two are not the same exactly. Analytics usually refers to the future events by predicting the behavior of a variable in future. In a nutshell, it gives you some information about what is likely to happen in future. On the other hand, analysis only refers to past events, to find hidden patterns inside our data and explain what has happened so far. I got you. I know what just passed through your mind. You might be saying that analysis and analytics are complementary to each other. In your answer, I would definitely say no. They are not complementary. Actually, analysis is a subset of analytics. Think about a pie as analytics, and analysis is just a piece of that pie. In detail, analytics includes all the steps you take, both human and machine, to discover, interpret, visualize, and tell the story of patterns in your data in order to drive business strategy and outcomes. And a successful data analytics process can help you to reveal hidden opportunities, predict actions, triggers, and events, and helps you make better business decisions. At last, a relatively complete data analytics process includes collecting and ingesting data, categorizing your data, managing your data in databases, data lakes, or data warehouses, storing data, performing extraction and transformation on your data, analyze it to find hidden patterns, and finally pass the insights derived from data or even the whole data to users by some tools like dashboards. I got you again. You might be thinking that analytics is the process of finding patterns and information from past data to help experts to predict the behavior of a variable in future and make business decisions. Is that right? Yes, you are definitely right. Now it's time for analysis. According to Wikipedia, analysis is the process of breaking a complex topic or substance into smaller parts in order to gain a better understanding of it. To make it clear, let me give you an example. Imagine you have a huge dataset with various types of data. Taking the risk of analyzing the whole dataset may result in becoming overwhelmed. So one thing you can do is dividing the dataset into several chunks in order to analyze each of them separately and examine how they are related to other chunks. This method may augment the amount of work you do, but I bet it will give you your favorable result. Besides that, data science is an appropriate field for the people who are patient, because extracting information and insight from a bunch of messy data takes a long time. Anyway, the process of analysis usually consists of cleaning, transforming, modeling, and questioning the data which is already prepared for the process to find useful information and get deep insights from it. And that's done. By knowing the definition of these two terms, you are able to guess the meaning of some terms like data analytics, business analysis, data analysis, and business analytics. But if you don't get afraid, because I will give you the exact definition of those terms in later videos. Before wrapping up this video, I should mention a little point. These definitions are a little bit abstract because in industry you may face different definitions for the terms compared to what I provided for you, and in some cases these definitions might be against to what I just said. But please allow us to accept this industry jargon. To wrap up this video, let's review again what analytics and analysis are, shall we? Analytics is the science of analyzing raw data to make conclusions about that information that starts from past and gets help from it to predict the future. On the other side, analysis is a subset of analytics, and it is the process of breaking complex parts into simple chunks to examine them easily. That starts from past to find out why something happened in the past and what happened so far. Oh my god, you did it! Now you know the definition of two similar words. You can distinguish between their differences, and most important, you are one step closer to become a data scientist. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, and if you want to become a data scientist, please consider subscribing to this channel. Finally, if you have a question, comment it down below in the comment section. I hope this video helped you a lot, and until next video, happy learning!